Hi, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Got a 986 Boxster that I just finished doing the IMS bearing. There's the engine there. I'll get started up. Sounds pretty good. Okay, the engine's all good, so I'm just waiting on a top hose that's supposed to come yesterday on Monday, but somehow it didn't come in, so hopefully it will come this afternoon so I can finish it. Took it for road test, everything's fine. Today I'm just going to finish off the window regulator. That's a brand new part there, the window regulator. I'm taking it out. I'm going to tidy up the wiring, it's all over the place. I'm going to tidy up the wiring and make it look nice and neat. Put some black insulation tape here, like that. See that? I'm going to put some insulation tape here as well, and just double check, make sure everything's tight. There's the glass there. As you can see, the rubber's already come off sideways, and lucky I took it out in time, otherwise this part will come off and it will crack the glass. Yeah, but the actual motor, that's the original motor, was only working one way. That didn't work the other way, so I got a second-hand motor here, so I'm just installing it, and then I'll tidy up the wiring here, put everything back together, and then double check again. Alright, and sorry, one more thing, I've got to take the switches out and put it the other way because somebody fitted the switch the wrong. That part there should be at the front, so it's back to front. Alright, I'll do that after. It's a little few things I've done onto the extra intake to clean up as well. As you can see, I'll show you. I've replaced, that's the one I'm waiting for, because that one was cracked, so I had to I have to get a modified one, because every time you change when you put a new photo body, sorry, not a photo body, a paper separator on this car here, every time you change it, if it's got the old one and never been changed from factory, then you got to get a longer piece, because the older one is that part there used to be over here, but the new one is shorter, so you got to get a modified hose to fit. I just done that so I can drive the car. Yeah, but I've got a new one of those. I put silicone hoses because the other one was all crumbled for the diverter valve I told you about, for the gearbox cooler. So put a new one of those. A new one of the actual breather hose that goes in there, goes all the way around here and goes up to here. That one there, and goes the breather on that side there. I had to connect that one there as well. There's a little one-way air valve that wasn't even on, that was just sitting on that corner there, never been connected, so had to adjust the actual photo. Somebody put it too high, so I had to adjust the actual throttle stop. Yeah, just little few things. New one of these. This was cracked on the corner there. But for now, it looks alright. I had to put a cable tie there, as you can see. I put a silicone inside there to hold it in. Put a cable tie there to stop the selector cable from coming off the actual gearbox lever. That was already, the bushes weren't that bad. And as you can see underneath, there's no more leaks underneath the car. Yeah, start up. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.